Hello again, everyone. Truck CV Sales here. A tune-up report for Terry in California on this new RCI-2995dxcf. Terry, it's a beauty, and I got it ready to go. We've installed your digital turbo echo board right here, and as you can see, I put on a matching knob for you so it looks factory. RF power all the way down, and we had spoke about the fact you're running a amplifier one of these days, so it is 5 watts of carrier all the way down. Roll it all the way up, and it's at a safe 40 watts. It's probably about where you're going to want to run it when you're running just the radio. I'm going to roll it back down. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low, about 50 bird. We're over a 500 watt scale, peak power. Low, there's 160 peak watts. Alright, Terry, I hope you enjoy this beautiful piece of machinery from your friend Truck at truckcvsales.com. Bump bump.